Let me just fix your skills, guys. Forgot to change my loadout. Blessing, Impo Blessing, Angelus. God, still put Gloria. Yeah. Okay. Let's see. 44. I need you here. And then Zika. Maybe Zikang can go here for the meantime. Rish. Let's go here.
Hello. Enter on.
Is it Rish? 44. Oh, my bad.
G.
Rish.
G.
is 44.
Enter. Ayusin mo yung skills mo. Baka hindi mo alam na.
45. And then Pickle. Where is Pickle?
Nandun ako sa labas. Oo.
Saan ka na? Enter.
Pickle is 47. Okay.
Wait lang. Hindi ko pa marinig dahil sa akin.
Okay. Okay. Check your current parties. Parties in game.
Okay.
Parties
tayo?
1 to 4.
Enter na ba?
Oo, enter na. Mag-start na.
Stay at the pillars.
Okay. Hindi ko alam
To
na pwede
exhaust
na mag-enter.
points. Parties 5 to 8 will go
Main field ba?
Oo, main field.
pillars. If you cannot enter main field, it
Di ikaw.
means you're assigned to sub. All the active participants in
Mid data tayo muna.
recent
Mid sa mid.
field leagues are in the main field except for
Hindi ako
the leads in sub field. I
Discord ko kabila.
Sige.
intentionally assigned.
Sige.
So if you can't enter the main field means you're not active in field league.
Ayoko na nga kumanta.
So just to give you a heads up on how I form the parties.
30 seconds, guys.
Hard to form parties, you know. Let's go. Parang konti tayo yeah, lots of enemies. Okay. Sa party chat na kayo.
Konti pa din natin. Kulang ng
Para hindi man
5, 10.
field, straight, middle.
Dami pa rin po.
Will go mid.
Pa-buffs.
Wala pa.
Ayan na, 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Ayun.
Okay.
Go.
Okay, go.
Baka hindi. Kasi late ako gising. Late gising.
We will prioritize right after this.
One. I can only see one enemy.
Okay.
Okay.
Check your settings. Maybe you're only set to 5.
Pa-heal nga dito.
Contest here first.
Okay.
Follow mo lang.
Healing.
Parties
Di
5
ako yan.
to 8. Move right.
Ay, hindi
Pillar.
ba?
Pa-heal. Follow mo lang ako kay leader.
5 to 8. Take.
Guys,
Dapat mo kasi.
kindly take one person each pillar. So go top left, and then
1
7 o'clock.
1 to 4. Stay in.
Ayan, mid lang tayo.
Okay.
Ay. Saan na tayo?
They're here. Kill them. Sub team.
Go left. Go 9 o'clock. 5 to 8.
Saan tayo?
9 o'clock, 9 o'clock. Dito sa may ano
Follow
dito.
na ako.
There's also one
Sige,
at
sige.
5 o'clock.
Follow mo lang ko.
Top pillar is
Hindi ko alam kung saan yun. Nalilito pa ako.
Dito, dito. Follow mo lang. Yan. Fill natin lahat yan. Nag-dense ako, pareso. Yan. Fill mo lang. Kaya papubusin ko yan.
Pero bakit?
Yep.
Go 9 o'clock.
Oh, they are here.
4.
I-ano mo ako. Band of Life. Para tuloy-tuloy yung head.
Give middle.
Hmm.
Oh shit. Yeah, let's PK these people. PK 9 o'clock.
Sunfield, go 7 o'clock. They are here.
5 to 8. Take 3 o'clock.
Some party lang to.
Yan, na-capture natin.
Okay. 1 to 4. Stay. 9 o'clock. Stay until exhaust. 5 to 8. Stays 5 o'clock.
Hindi mo lang.
Ay, Sunfield, go 7.
Stay daw tayo 5.
They are stronger.
Dito.
Only one TP.
Hindi 5 o'clock. Eh.
Okay, for party 1 to 4, we will go 7 o'clock. Okay, 1 to
Saan
4,
tayo?
7.
Hindi ko alam mo eh. 5 daw eh. Doon sa kulay pink. Ay, nasura ka.
Go to
Ayok. Two o'clock daw.
2 o'clock?
Ito na ata yun. 5 to 8, 2 o'clock.
Ayun, 2 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Yung paano pa
Tama
lang.
ba? Pinupuntahan ko daw.
Yep, yung pa-spawn na ano.
Just leave them, leave them. Sunfield,
Mag-i-spawn na node.
take the
5
other
to 8.
pillars.
Ay, mali ata yun.
Sige, follow mo lang ko, follow mo lang ko.
Take the
5 to
other.
8, cryo, inner 2 o'clock. Pillar.
Inner.
1
Yep,
to 4,
dito, dito.
move to
Excited ka naman kasi tayo pa lang.
Baka makunat ka, may talon ka. Iyan mo ako. Band of Life.
Lang nagbaba. Nagbaba.
after exhausting 7 o'clock. 1 to 4, stay 7
Ano?
first.
Hindi na kita makita.
Take me.
Take
Sunfield, take me. Take me then.
Hindi ko na band of life.
Ah,
1
Click
to
mo
4,
ako.
let's go 11. 1 to 4, let's go 11.
Kami?
5 to 8, take 2 o'clock.
talon ka.
Ay, na-deads ako.
Sikat ma-dead sin ako.
Then stay
Ang dami
after
kasi.
taking.
Pahila ko, pahila ko.
1 to 4, stay 11 o'clock. 5 to 8,
Follow mo lang ko.
stay 2 o'clock.
Following ng...
5 to 8. Move
Band of Life.
Ano ba?
Sunfield.
Huwag ka magsang Band of Life lang.
1 to 4, stay 2 o'clock.
Dito tayo. Next pillar tayo. Sa may... Wag na dyan, wag na dyan. Ang dami dyan.
Iwan mo ko.
Sige, sige. Ay, dead
Hindi
ako.
ka follow.
Dead ako.
Okay, Sunfield.
1 to 4, stay here.
Hindi ka follow.
I-auto mo lang yung ano,
I need
Band of
1
Life.
DPS. Sunfield, kindly take top left. 12
Saan tayo?
seconds.
6?
Top left pillar. Then the rest, let's go 7 o'clock.
Saan ba?
Follow mo lang muna ako.
1 DPS to take the pillar.
Band of Life mo lang ko.
To exhaust the points. Sunfield.
May nag-hit sa'yo.
Nagawa.
Hindi ko pa alam kung saan. Follow mo.
Okay, hindi ko na pala yung kalaban.
Let's go 7. 1 to
Punta kasi
4.
masyado.
go
Yung
7
band of
o'clock.
life. Ikaw
Go
maalis ka
5
naman.
o'clock.
Kung saan mo ko tinagal.
Takbo ka,
Sorry,
takbo.
go na. 1 to 4.
TP ka lang. Yan, may talon ka naman
5
eh.
to 8, go 9.
Go 9 o'clock
Ay,
tayo.
hindi
9
ako.
o'clock, 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock, 1 to 4 yun.
Hindi, 9 din. Ay no, go
Everyone
9.
go 9 first.
Everyone go 9.
Diba?
Yep.
Ay, tawag ka na masyado malikot.
Hindi, sige, mabilis na yung takbo ko.
Then 5 to 8, go 8 o'clock.
Ikita mo, bondot class.
Yoto mo lang.
They're coming guys, 5 o'clock, subfield.
Nandiyan na sila. Medyo atras ka.
1 to 4, stay 9 o'clock.
Dapat pala, ano dito? Auto attack. Para mabilis mabasag.
Iya.
5 to 8.
Ah, siyang M.
Go to
Teka, dito lang tayo. Kakapture rin natin. Tapos mag-move na tayo.
1 to
Okay,
4,
move tayo.
stay 9.
Taas. Sa may taas. Dito sa may sasundan mo.
Subfield, stay 5 o'clock. Let's see.
Don't leave until we exhaust.
Following.
So they are coming.
Sabi naman pag may kalaban na.
5 to
In-auto ko
8,
lang yung ano.
take,
Yep.
11.
In-auto lang ako
guys,
ng...
don't chase. Exhaust the points of
One.
the pillars. Let them come, let them come.
Andiyan sila. Ay, shit. Nag-TP ako. Nag-ano ako.
Anyone? Subfield.
Go together, guys.
Ay, dead ako.
Don't solo.
Go guys. Go mid.
4 to 8, 5 to 8, stay at 10 o'clock. 1 to 4, go 10 o'clock. 1 to 4, go 10.
We kill them at mid. Subfield.
5 to 8, go 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock daw tayo. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock.
4, stay
Dun sa may pa-spawn na ano.
O'clock?
Na node. 2 o'clock, yep. May pa-spawn na nodes.
They're
Following
coming,
ako,
guys.
sir.
Kill them.
Sige lang. May mga kalaban dito.
Is it
Madami actually.
Wala na, sura na naman.
Yan lang ang kala.
we are strong.
One hit ako na asura.
Okay, everyone go middle.
Middle. At dito tayo daan. Huwag tayo dyan.
Take
Mid daw tayo.
We have buff.
Guys, subfield, kindly take, take naman kayo. They're going mid.
Let's go, guys. Let's try.
Dami.
Mid or 5.
Yep, madami sila. Likod ka lang.
Stay middle.
Unat naman itong ano na to.
Yung points namin dito. Guys, kindly take 8 o'clock. Subfield. Go. They're going here.
Go 1 to 4, go 10 o'clock. 5 to 8, go 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock daw, 2 o'clock.
Following.
Middle.
2
So
o'clock.
guys, 5 o'clock. Subfield. Let's kill them.
Dami pa din dito eh. Na-exhaust na pala to.
1 to 4, 10 o'clock. 5 to 8,
Ay,
take 5 o'clock.
5 o'clock tayo, 5 o'clock. Saan yung 5 o'clock?
Following lang ako sa...
Yeah, follow ka
Hindi
lang.
lang ako follow kasi.
Wala namang kalaban dito eh.
Manual
Dito lang tayo sa
following.
ano.
Go near any green pillar.
Ayun na yun, dito tayo sa ano. Dito tayo.
Okay, exhaust points, guys. Subfield.
5
Hintayin natin to.
Go 5 o'clock.
Tayo natin to. Yun.
Ay,
They're
gusto ko
going
lang.
9 o'clock. Kill them. Subfield.
Diyan na sila.
Go 1 to 4, go 1 to 4, go 5.
Ay, deads ako. Okay, nice one. Okay, suka agad kasi ang dami nila.
Talagay sa akin.
Ang dami masyado.
Sorry,
Wala na, back na back na
4,
dyan.
Go 7.
Nag-revive na ako, nag-revive ako. Wag dyan, wag dyan.
Pinafollow
Guys,
ko
go
din
mid, go
ako.
mid. Take mid. Take
Wag na
mid.
dyan, wag na. Mid data, mid. Hindi natin kaya yan.
Luis, pagka nag 3k na kayo, labas na kayo dyan. Ha?
Saka matalo na din pala tayo.
Enter
Mid
tayo
at-
dito. At least kayong mga ano.
2-7. Guys, take mid, take mid. Sub mid. Go mid.
Dami sa mid.
Yep, madami.
5 to 8. Go 5 o'clock. 5 to 8 change. Go
5 o'clock
2
daw.
o'clock.
Hindi nga kaya.
Sorry. Pillars suddenly open.
2 o'clock pala.
Sige, back ka dyan. Madami dyan.
Luis, may commander skill ka. Nakikita mo commander. Ano
Saan ba?
Commander.
Wala
So,
ako dito
o'clock.
sa sub mid.
Okay. So,
2 o'clock tayo, 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock tayo.
Okay, let's PK. We
Guys,
have
sub.
buff.
Exhaust.
Let's go PK middle. Everyone.
3K, 3K. Makakalikot pa kami lahat.
No. Try nyo na lang. Go, 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 go.
Guys, sub field. Let's
Middle daw.
go to main.
Hindi, i-exhaust ko lang to.
We have buff, guys. We are strong.
Try to jump. Main field. Go, go.
Yeah, we're kinda losing anyway. So, let's just make it count. Wow. Titanic.
Hindi natin ma-capture. Ay, hindi ko na-dead sa. Sige, mid na nga.
Okay.
We're losing anyway. So, let's just PK.
Can trash talk them,
Ako
guys.
pag
It's
gano'n.
okay. Doesn't matter. Win or lose,
Just touch talk.
trash talk them. Don't need, don't need, don't need.
Anong need delete?
It's okay.
Ah,
You
okay.
can't enter.
If can't enter, stay sub. If can't enter, stay sub.
Deads ako.
Okay, GG. I think that's it. Okay,
Nakapasok pa lang
I
eh.
think that's it.
Naka-drink pa lang.
Top field did good. How
Fail.
many did you fight in sub?
Ayun.
Let's see. There are only 9, that's why you won. 9 or 13.
Oh, ayos.
Good effort, guys, for main field. We're kinda organized now. GG will play everyone.
Okay.
Pangilan ka?
This
10.
tier is not for us. Let's try
Bilis
next
Ang konti kasi natin, 31 lang tayo, 40 sila.
tier.
Nah, we are strong. We just lack people.
Yeah. You all did well.
GG.